My name is Taylor Rathbone. I'm from Reedland, Iowa. I'm an outside hitter, and oh shoot, what was the last one? My name is Taylor Rathbone. I'm from Reedland, Iowa. I'm a sophomore, and I'm an outside hitter. My major is bakery and business. After Kirkwood, I want to have my own bakery. I want to move to Chicago for a while, and then come home and have my own bakery. I have been playing volleyball since I was 9 years old. I have been played on 5 different teams. I made it to national once. My funniest volleyball moment is I always fall no matter what. Like, I'm always klutzy, so sometimes I'll fall on the court or whatever. I came from a small town. Reedland only has like 1,000 people and one only grump. That's what we're known for. So I always grew up with my friends right next door. My high school is out in the middle of nowhere, so that's how people recognize Wapsie is out in the middle of nowhere. I will miss my pet Harley. He's a dog. He's a Shih Tzu, and he liked to sleep with me every night. And I take him on walks and feed him, and I'd secretly give him treats behind my parents' back so he wouldn't know. I cannot live out without desserts. I like to eat chocolate. Even though I'm allergic to it, I really like to eat it. I am the kind of person that likes to go out with my friends and go to movies, but then I also like to spend one night on the weekend at home watching movies on the couch and just being lazy for a weekend. I would like to travel the world. There's not a specific place I'd like to be, but I'm interested in all, like, the whole world and like different countries to see what it's like. My favorite music is country. I like to listen to it because it kind of plays the mood that I'm in. And my favorite artist is Luke Bryan because he likes to shake his hips. My favorite TV show would probably be Cupcake Wars. I have a lot of favorite movies, but I'd probably say my favorite one is the Footloose, the new one, with Julianne Hough in it. Movie of my life, I'd probably say Paula Deen because she likes to bake and stuff, and I really like to bake, and bakery's my major. Okay.